God didn't make it?
That no make it. Ça peut faire comme même là ici, voilà. Yeah, people, we are going river. That is it. I'm not telling you how we are going yet until we reach. We don't see where we are going. Yeah. That one name Jamaican Hidden Beauty.
What this we are going here, people?
About back road.
Not back road. People tell this every time in the airport this, it mean back road. A lot of places around this. A lot of places.
Hotel. Strip club.
Yeah,
Go club and back road. Back road around there.
Strip club is a place where them
The kids them know what we are talking about. We say back road. Them know back road. I wonder if which one of them kids they know back road.
Oh wait, what is back road? You don't know. What do you think it is?
Best not to explain.
What
Tell
you think
the
back
kids
road
it
is?
showed. Bob Marley say it.
Back road, one road that they run a back.
Road are back.
That is back road.
Is that right?
It's not like Dettol mixed with some other sanitizing liquid and number of 6.
What that?
I saw it smell to me a while ago. Well, it was like Dettol mixed with some other sanitizing liquid. When I go into my throat, Dettol put somewhere raw. You know it actually kill the scent and
A carnival truck them in a one.
A carnival truck them here?
Today I road march.
Today a carnival?
Yeah.
Bacchanal! To the last day? No, sorry. Baccagal. Yeah, people, see that. I not even remember so today a carnival. People, I wonder if I go to one carnival vlog.
Okay, so I actually want to go to the place, it's a going to feel place. See what you're on.
Drop on my shades out, you know what I mean? Now make them two see me eye. Yeah, that is it. You see to the bacca girl.
I wish I could start.
No.
I wish I start. When the march start, over the stuff.
No, it's supposed to start somewhere up at the carnival people them. How them are put in them costume. See them?
Oh, your camera now. Oh, go on.
What carnival? You see my camera shoot, you hear that? Chopper my camera never stop shoot.
She catch it. Him motion, him catch it.
What you know?
You need to come in. I tell you. Also, in them body big, a trouble.
No, Chino. How will you work, Chino?
Optimum, my place is some young youth bust them gun, you know?
Optimum strict me here.
Right.
Afterwards me working at Advantage. Every day I walk through the plaza yesterday.
Yes, some people will bring Chino go work.
Them not strict.
You know, so them send me an email up at your place.
Him not like
go and interview for next week.
so me have to drive go straight down here, so brother, you know, sir.
Rick, just go back to the sun, go back to the sun,
God no, brother.
enter to the sun.
Yeah, and
One thing is difficult, you know.
hearing.
Man.
Don't put me in a video where you bring Chino guy.
Put him on the live.
Yeah, man, El Chapo that you hear that.
Put him on the live there.
course, I'm not good for go
Yeah,
from.
good body,
Catch
you know.
him again, I'm ready. A nice place in work.
Big place in work, you know? A place in banging line.
Watch him on fast.
Come on, sit down.
Yeah, man, peeps, so when I would G them that, you see me? Yeah, in bilingual, is it, if you know what I mean, you know what I mean?
As in,
Yeah.
what is that?
In chat patois English, 2 language.
Oh.
In chat patois English and bad word.
Oh.
Intelligent girl, you see it, peeps? So if you ask any question, believe me, at the top of her head and at the bottom of her cheek, she
You
know.
know.
Hey, that is Jamil for you.
Bread.
So people, Nutsford Center, we just passed that, peeps. As you can see, this is a Jamaica company's office where you go register your business and license it. You know it go. See me with a health wellness where you do your, you know, insurance, surgical too. But the driver move fast, because I want me inform on the places them peeps.
People, a river where I go, we not have black bone no business place. Because them not give you no money.
Ricky, your dog has a work?
Yeah, our.
Come with this section.
Why you ask if it?
I don't know. Maybe through your head small. When you have on dark, as it look like you're straight.
What should I try to say?
Bumbo clock, yo. I want them to black off the road.
Yeah, man,
I
if I use a
tell you,
different
say
road.
yes, so the
Alright,
branch
me tell you what you
start.
do. Just turn, go down so,
Tell you.
and go so.
That's why I mean I say, come and no sound now camp, but just go straight down there, so. Watch me now. When light go green, go straight across.
You block
Yeah,
off
go
the
through
road,
fucking
people, you see me?
area, come out back at the end.
Okay, you don't know a carnival. Back a girl time.
Yeah, yeah.
You see me?
Oh, so me now for obey that stoplight. Where the able lot? Class.
Go there, driver. Hold on. Hold
Go
on.
straight.
Hold on.
Go straight, Ricky. You hear me? I'm telling you, brother. Go straight, bro. You go to the community and you touch up at a UCC.
See them a while ago, peeps, I'm about to drop on my seatbelt and I look for Ricky and see them van feeling. See it? Because I realize them a charge the passenger now and not the driver. Okay?
Okay. Make sure that you know that me I'm telling you. The part of the legendary. People are for me, but I
Yes, some people, me and the team, we are roll out.
to the right, yeah.
Jamila direct because she know New Kingston, she have man up here.
Jesus, the children.
That alone do New Kingston.
But he work at ITEL. To the right. To the right.
Jamil, we can
Take the
take this
right,
so. We
take
can
the
take
right.
this so.
And
Listen
the
up.
traffic, you have to go
Listen
down,
where you
back
are, sir.
down.
You have some
You
road
have to
and
go
one
back
way.
down
Listen where you are,
and
sir.
then come back
She
up
right,
here,
Ricky T.
man.
She right, man.
So dog, take the left, yes, so see, I tell you my right. Take the left.
Bad driver.
She was telling me to be a coming late.
Take the right. Then again, that's how we have to go, because if you take the left now, you say you have to go way back down and then come up back.
Whitey.
Take the left with the car, you know.
What you is? Whitey. What's up? The brown and ugly in here, you know?
Jamil, you have man over there, so
Take
catch
the
over
left.
there.
It's
So
not my man, a German friend. Take the left, sure.
So you say it's an energizer. This not no zoom.
No.
Are we out of
No. Don't zoom with that. Don't zoom with that. Zoom pan that no go. Me zoom when me I edit.
People we still in New Kingston, so it's so big. And everything they are do. So I know. Staging for the back canal.
Everything they are town.
You see what I'm telling you? But no, it is like a feeling in my chest, brother. Me not tell you something based on a black. I hear something. It's a ministry where we used to work. Why we work everywhere in Jamaica? I just can't.
Bumba, everywhere you walk them fire yo.
But never blood clot get fire yet. Allah, me get fired at surgery. I never did it. I never did that guy work. I left the work.
Everywhere.
I never resign.
The amount of place she walk, everywhere she walk.
A lie you tell, lie. I never stay a ministry because them did all extend my contract with the same little bit of pay. Fucking crazy. And I stipend me to get them mad at who them they all take for people the fool.
Oh. Let's say it work.
Because you see the position of me get, and normally interns them keep there. So me the intern for a year, but them love homework, so they will extend my contract for 3 years with the same pay, you mad? And everybody I get them nice, clean $108,000 a month, and me forget what? Fortnight pay with some little scrums. Never do I stay there so.
Hey.
I mean he just pregnant with she.
Them a build up, them a fix up that piece of house that up here so. That piece of house where them say Prime Minister them for living in. I think for poor people not living in that.
Thank you. We can get oh God, sorry. We can get 2 kiddies juice.
3 1 3 1.
Let's come grab up lighter so how are you? People, you know like when girl I got them money and them know say them don't want to give nothing. That's the way our Crystal dress, I will leave her clothes. Be your clothes, watch it.
That image struggle. But me use scissors and knife and cut off anything on the ceiling. Me use scissors and me use knife.
I cut off that.
So you suit up, my hand will tear off that.
Hey!
What's a tough girl here? The man body girl, she did say one more day now, man, she turn man.
Watch out.
People, big up my friend. Big up my friend, Taki. Taki, where you go? I say you do it? I say you do it to the people them up? No, sir. I forgot to take out that one out of the vlog. I don't want your boss to watch the vlog and see you. I said them something there.
I'll get fired the next day.
Jesus Christ, I am Barbie. We are going river. We are going carnival. We are going bacchanal. We are going bacchanal and we are going back a girl. Oh, your friend are eyes, so. Taki, we are going to link you up when we come a bacchanal. Back a girl, we are going. We are going bacchanal. We are going back a girl. Yeah, people, so you know today a carnival day. And me have funeral today. Me have a amount of things to go deal with today. To blouse and skirt and we have river go.
Yeah, Nana Cash, a convenience store there.
Oh, they are legally. Which convenience store? The convenience store there.
Convenience store that behind you, brother.
Yeah, a gas station that goes.
You see store behind you? Look, what is that?
In there?
I tell us to get lighter.
Oh, we not buy no lighter in there, we buy lighter somewhere else. Me not like shopping at a gas station, you know.
Brother, a convenience store. This is the gas station.
Come like something wrong with you. Me not like shop in the gas. Back door, lock your door, Crystal. Me not like shop in a gas station, whether them have a Taco Bell or what that, Cafe Bonjour. Me not like none of them. Because them is
The kids.
oh. I'm going to get an extension until I come. Yeah, people that are miss slow. With the miss slow, them see miss slow. Yeah, and a woman in here, Miss Lou. Garden Town Square with her.
And when she young that?
Eh?
Is a statue that when she young?
When she young?
Yeah, I must have statue when she young cause she looks sexy. If I not statue there though, I not lie, look cock up there.
I'm watch him such a shape. What a pervert. People. Yeah, if I watch him the statue, so the statue shape good. Miss Lou statue, you know, him said shape good. Wow, look a pervert. Oh, what's his statue?
I must have statue when time she. You know that image there?
Yeah, the picture they with them.
Like how when she did young.
I know she give them no, she dead when that go up my thing.
Yeah, but them take a picture.
Maybe them just take a younger version of how she look. Young and old, not really too that flabby big and
People.
Whatever picture she did have when she
People.
yes, they just use a good one.
So up here, so it's like Jamaica hidden beauty where they write a Blue Mountain, where they write the footpath of Blue Mountain. Jamil and Crystal don't know around here, so at them first time. Jamil and Crystal, me not even think Chopper Style no around us either.
We go Newcastle or Blue Mountain.
But you don't know, you say it's not Newcastle.
I know, me say we go Newcastle.
You say no Newcastle or Old Castle. People, Chopper don't know, Rona so. Alright, so here we go on. Me and the team will discuss, right? We discuss, yeah? And we discuss about our name, right? And we are going to have a name change. Not really a major change, it's a minor change. You know, it's all about Schemers TV. Yeah, that is it. I want to say, we agree with that Schemers thing there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go and include everybody.
Alright, so people, Schemers TV, the people them was subscribe, we're going to call the subscribers them Schemers. We get a more inclusive, we want to get more inclusive with the subscribers them. You know that's, when them here we call them Schemers, them know say them exactly what we are talking about. You get me?
But reading the vlogging of the scheme the most, it just
Yeah. You know I'm more seeing the scheme with the people. So you don't know, that's why we get the name the Schemers TV and thing. And I'm gonna make you know everybody personal differently on the channel. Everybody I go interview personally, make you know Chopper differently from Crystal, differently from Jamie, differently from me, Ricky T. Yeah. You know what I mean?
You know, I want it, so I can't show my face. You see, wanted by the females, you see me? Yeah, so I want the thing, like I said.
Eh? I don't know. Only wanted, I must trust him, and the people them I look for him for their money.
Yeah.
I must trust him, trust.
You want to know? Right now, I have 30 grand for your shop, you know, like them see me. And right next door, me them live.
With the blows as good. So, you going to your house?
Oh, you want to know?
Bad Orisha.
Him not like that name there.
Some mother tell me
Hey,
some name.
it's gonna kill you. Me say
Oh,
it's gonna
my mother
kill you.
wicked.
You know, Jeremy and tell me same
My
name.
mother wicked.
Yeah, because Jeremy is a classmate, so Jeremy is not going to know me, you see.
That is it. But
Most people tell me that.
Him name unique. I don't know why I'm down like
Even
that.
when I work, them tell me that. I'm going to tell them, say, yo, call me Chopper
People.
Styles.
No, the last name not really. But where you get that from?
Who tell you that?
Who name so?
Eric Tina, but I tell them, Eric T. But with it, you know. People.
Him have the last name of a popular politician.
My name Chopper Stylist.
Him last name, just go and call.
My name Chopper
No, call the one
Stylist.
name in a corruption.
Chopper the first name, Stylist the last name. My middle name is Demented. For them people.
No,
Yeah.
go and call.
Alright.
Phillips.
No, go and call.
Davis.
Go and call.
Simpson.
Go and call. He made sure he stop it. He stopped it a while ago. He stopped the camera a while ago. Fenton?
Nothing.
Fenton?
Jackson.
Alright.
Fenton Jackson.
Really, I give you the popular politician first name.
PG.
I only gonna give you him first name, I'm not gonna give you him last name. Fenton? Come up with the
Jackson.
next. With the next.
I
Jackson.
know politician names, so.
You don't know a politician named Fenton?
No.
Alright.
People, them don't know them.
Them don't know them.
Them don't know them government.
Them don't know them.
Can't slaughter me, I don't follow.
Me not wrong
But
them.
bro, manners and respect, how we can get a park? Bust a turn on this park, yes, sir.
Supposed to turn. People are bad driver, you know. You feel like him now, man. To tell you about him.
Oh, God.
I'm not ready for them.
No, I'm come out.
Yeah, we can go over the gully man, father. You mad? Alright, put in next now.
If I jump up over the ditch. If I jump up over the ditch. If I jump over the ditch, me G. What have it pan tape, man.
I make you park right there.
Yeah, man, make you come on. No problem with that.
The body gone. You know what, you know what? My Ricky Terry to life. We're brave. See the chef. Look how him bad. Yeah, so we nearly dropped off a while ago, people. Yeah, so Ricky T nearly put the car a while ago. And them have to come out.
Yeah, I'm afraid.
Oh, this Jamie with the flat tumok, you know?
This, it's only flat when I wake up.
See, people?
That start get big by
natural
about
fat
12
tumok.
o'clock.
What do you put them on the way?
Belly band?
See, no belly band now for use. Natural. Yeah, man, dumpling do it, peeps. Alright.
Man, dumpling do this. And a cornmeal and porridge.
And cornmeal porridge too.
Cornmeal porridge tighten up your body.
You see me? I'm give the flat tumok.
Oh, my bag and pan.
Up in a bit, let's see, father. You know the thing gonna peep say, you don't know them money, as say. Grandma boss. Them money say, we're good. On the ground, you hear that right now? You see me? So you have to respect people, say, we're good and we're safe and make things done. You see me?
Parking, so you don't know.
Yeah, man. You give him a parking and not talking.
I give me the drink. That is it. That's the action here, man. I saw where I go, yeah?
You got to be kidding me.
5 minutes worth of walking.
Okay, I'll go for the top river.
No problem. 7 minutes and 5 minutes. The people, let them know, man. Tell them how the walking go, man. The duration of the walking, man.
5 minutes or 7 minutes go up to the grind time river. You see?
Yeah, man, peeps. Yeah, man. So, 7 minutes.
Yeah, stay with the week, man. So when you go forward and just look for me, man. Grind time, prime time, boss.
Yeah, man. You see me? Okay.
Yeah? Why the two are we?
No, anyone on the first. Anyone on the first.
Oh, it's up by the face, man.
When I ever face the door, everybody on the camera, I'm fucking ugly.
People, me I catch her a change. You see what I talk about? Them not
That
so
little something there.
them not so bad enough, peeps. Get a girl, is them clean? Yeah.
MJ!
Them take care of them
MJ!
body. You see me? So the chicken back them at work, the chicken neck them at work, and the mackerel and the sardine them at work. You see what them do?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, nice get a girl them
Our
so.
skin clean.
Now ramp with the chicken back them and the sardine and the mackerel them at work.
Right, sure.
See it?
Chelsea, when I start
Very
up,
nice and
go
thing.
no yet.
So looking at the camera now.
I can't look in it. I want supper.
People, so I go on. Give you a full body if you are.
You know?
Yeah, one bend over enough for you. One bend over enough.
That, but it fall. It fall.
As the G said,
So see them two girls there and another girl there. So one section.
Seal. Yeah, man, the one back of a $5 and the one front of a $20.
Rice.
I'm a friend bumper to this.
May I tell you, go back clean. Sure.
Why make the younger one have to study at the cheapest? So the younger
No,
one
and me
supposed to be
old
the
razor
freshest.
back.
Youngest and the freshest.
But true.
20 US me mean.
Oh, 20 years.
Mm-hmm.
Youngest and the freshest.
No, man, I have to catch this. So people are this you put up with. Is it? Whitey. Woyoi. 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 So people at the 5 minute, 7 minute walk, you see me as the dog say. You see me? That's the duration. How long it going to take. Nice. They said that part of the rocky part.
She a dead. She a dead. Oh, no belly want come off. Yeah, I'm firm up on the bums. Firm up on the bums. Chelsea.
Look like it a flop.
Yeah, firm up on the bums. Yeah, what? We like a minute away. We're like a minute away.
What faster picture? Bumbo blood class.
How much more climbing to do?
What's that? The man, what's that? Look at the G that even crack a sweat. Not even a sweat. I never...
15 times per day.
Exactly. Nobody want firm. I won't leave a car up as the one could have drive. Come on. No? No, I used to show the last time me come up here, we never have that bridge here. A bridge here the more smaller. I returned that one a bill. Eh? I recently that bridge a bill.
Yeah man, last year Benfield River Falls.
Wait name? Sorry. Blenfield?
Yeah, Penfield.
Penfield. Oh God.
Which Vista, you know Vista,
Go on the side, the gram time, prime time.
Watch how she move up there.
Up at gram time, prime time.
We have float here all of them. No man, what about half more man?
Them say we are go up at the gram time, prime time. I just some know, but the G I bring we up our next part. We name the gram time, prime time.
Yes sir, one another part where you can rest.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get a That is it. See them people. Yeah, big up the schemers them on the vlog. That is it. Hey! Hey-oh! This is river. Umbona, this is called river.
We have to go through it.
No man, I just fly around there. I go around there already now, but one time. All music video.
The last few years, but 2 artists up here.
Chopper, remember your phone off the side with them.
Shoot a video right there.
And MG don't know ya so. MG, big up MG pan the flag. Him don't know ya so. MG and me I show you right here so. People go over to MG Production and go subscribe. Watch the video them. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's a code. Ooh. 7 minutes walk. No. It's a 7 minutes walk and Chopper say, Wow, Crystal reach far away, man. No, this is hiking.
Country.
Crystal, you can go hike for Jamaica. What, Chloe? You better your mother. You better your mother, Chloe. You bet. I'm glad you don't have the mic.
Look on that though.
Hey! Whoa! People! No, it's not people anymore, it's schemers. Yeah, so schemers, we reach. Look, no, the water there, uncle and Jamil and our kids them is using floaty.
They're using floaty.
The water there, your uncle and Jamil and our 2 kids them is using floaty.
You can't use floating in a shallow water.
No, I know floating.
No, them use floaty anyway, them want to use it. Alpan sand too. Them can use it Alpan dry land.
Okay.
We don't want me to get a part of the video. No, schemers. I don't know how me to get a part of the video. Ah!
Now it's not anymore.
That is it.
But that kind of rough and tough gangster, no love. I don't want them on the soft enough in the bed, brother. I'm too no. I want them on the itch up on the tail and itch up on the skin and bleed. I'm too no.
Jamie like them man there.
But now the problem with them man them.
I don't want them to focus.
That mean you want them around me, you want me.
When I say no, I want them to focus on the work.
So through your focus on your work, you can't itch up on me?
No, I don't say that.
So you don't itch here, so you make it sound impossible. Listen me, you see a man where focus on him work, no problem. Kudos to that. Stop. We drive for my son. I'm a turn them on.
It's the same thing, I'm going to make the same man all about strength.
No problem.
It's the same thing, I'm going to make a man see.
So when you attach to your woman, you're weak?
The woman say, yo, a man approach you that is for a weakness. So I can start disrespecting, styling.
I'm going to tell you something.
Embarrassing in front of
You see the way how you enter a relationship, if over time it's still up on the level there, nothing no good about that in a woman's eyes. Some level of attachment supposed to grow. If you don't find yourself get attached to me on a certain level, because guess what, from day one you go busy and you're all about your work and this and that. Me enter your life now, so part of it have to go share. If me realize that me and you there saw a bounce and a jiggy spooky right there, so in the first month you all about your work, second month you still all about your work, 3, 4, 5, 6 months I go to a year, you still all about your work. I have a problem with that. When you think me I go pray, you have to have some level of attachment to me. When I look at you, you get a day off and you're there, so you look at side hustle same way. Because nowadays people have a 9 to 5 and a side hustle. Yeah, you the side hustle, but you stop and say, boy, babes, come on, go here, son. Woman like them something there. Who tell me say woman not like them something there?
No, I'm not talking about that like carrot and dates and, you know, yeah, of course, yeah, nothing wrong with that.
So which attachment?
I'm not talking about that.
Yeah.
I'm not talking the fact say, yo, some level of weakness I go show, like, with too much attention and I feel like you don't want to receive from a man. But
So
you still, when you get it, you start disrespect the man.
So read your woman, because not every woman stays so.
Yeah, you literally be like, alright, I'll show you something. You see, most of the time when a relationship go long, the woman are really at the root ground because of the relationship they're going further, you know. Because I guess I go on now, you know why? Yeah. Because you see quicker a man open up, or the quicker she go left him. If a man open up within 3 months time, within 6 months she left him.
But you can't open up.
Matter like open up to you like show him, show you, say you alright, this is the love I'm really I want to give you. Enough man would I want to can do that. but them keep it in instead because man is all about strength. You have to try to understand the difference. You see me see man instant, alright. You gonna want a man who grounded and you know gonna want a yes man. A man who, as I say, yo, babes do this, him say yeah. But what did I try to show you? What did I try to show you about a person? Everything you say, him say yes.
Him weak.
Never say nothing about that.
Okay.
And I ask for a level of attachment.
Yeah,
but
me
I'm
not
saying
talk
to
about
you
the
is,
attachment and the connection.
watch now. You see when a man there with a woman, it's like this. If me, you there with me, because me different from Crystal different from Sarah, Stacey, or whoever. Over time, as you get to know your woman, you're going to know what she expect of you. Because by a certain time, I go divulge all of them information to one another. You see, whenever I come to the point you know, and you know say your woman want the level of attention from you, you give it to her. Because me, alright with a man where I go come home from work, and I go say to myself, babes, when I like, my maid's leak. I don't know why this is that for too much today. Some women don't want a man where I do that because they don't want nobody to burden them. For me, no, so why?
If me come to you with my problems, if me come to you with something, first thing you know what type of impression I'm gonna come to you. You know, is a man this, you know. Why not solve it himself? Because that's gonna win our world in our society. We tell us a man responsibility is high. So man upon him own. It's like this then. So like what I said before. A woman can always look back on a man as a feel safe, but a man feel safe is his own strength. In other side of the world, in other society.
Since I can't do it for your own, stay by yourself.
But majority man always rise to success by them own. 90% man rise to success off of them own.
You are focused on the strength alone. Listen to what I'm saying. You see, once you take up yourself and you say you want a partnership with somebody, you want to be in a relationship with somebody, I'm not even talk about marriage. I talk about relationship. Only decide to become one. Even if people don't want to look on it, so all people want to know nowadays are just a fuck and go through, collect some money and fling up some pussy. Yeah, I'm not talk about them people. I talk about people who want a relationship, make up their mind, say this is them companion, but come home from work, I'm stressed, I really feel like someone to talk to you, because I'm supposed to talk to, because you're supposed to be my peace, you're supposed to calm me down. Man want a woman like that and woman want a man like that. Understand what you say? Man for know for deal with them things for them own, but if you can't talk to me, who the fuck you gonna talk to? And then when they jump off of the cliff, you're gonna hear say, oh, woman never been to
the same time a man I go through certain thing, never go to a woman. So you see you're pathetic and weak. So you has a food. So probably automatically them design that way. You go to one of your real bro them, or you go to your mom, because a woman will love her child, or you go to God. You hear that, my God? Me G, you know it mean God and me gangster too, you see pray. But over is what me I say, you see me?
People, screamers, no one jump, you know. I don't want to Bumba, the water cold. I tell you, I know Crystal no deep. Listen, looking at Jamil backside if you see money now. Eh? No, I put money in a Jamil backside a while ago. That no make it. Murder. Hey. Hey. You see? The water cool. The water is cold. Don't the people never enjoy the water. Arch your back, girl, arch your back, girl, hey. Arch your back, me say, arch your back, hey. Arch your back.
MJ, don't come over here, so you're not here.
Over here, side of the deep part?
Yeah.
So Jamil can swim?
Swim already. Swim over there already.
What's your? I draw down shots. I want the bomb bucklad.
All the draw down go. Here you are.
Eh?
Here you are. Come look.
You done?
Yeah.
Arch your back, me say arch your back, hey. Arch your back, hey. Bend your back, girl, bend your back, girl, hey. Bend your back.
What's my way?
It's a crowd that don't get so. Big swimmer, Jamie! Crystal! Go in there. You come here in a blue brassiere and blue panty like a Union Spice.
Alright, ready. Me not save you, you know. Higher than you. Higher than blood clot you. So try careful. Come now, boy. Wanna son. One Ricky T. If you die, you die as a legend. If you die, you die as a legend. You're not going to feel the cold when you die in. You're going to first say you're dead. One. Ricky, stop running out the film and die now. Three seconds. 3 seconds. One. Hello, no. One, my boy. Yeah. Yeah. Two. All of that, Crystal, if you really dive and him not make it, we are going to slip at the power say in the arms of the angel. You know that song there? Yeah, Ricky. Ricky! Why? Oh, that guy didn't make it. He make. Yeah, Ricky. Yeah. That's the only reason why your life flashed before you, dog. And the water cold. Ricky, you sure this can go under the water? Alright, go on up, me, I'll go under there. Bill not there, just go on, bro.
Yeah, go on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Try go under there. Come up quick, though.
Your breath can't hold long.
Come here, flip go down there, sir. Come back. Go back more. You're charging them. Yeah. So why you there with me? Why you there with me if you can't look at me as a woman and say, babes, watch your style. More you try to help me out with this. I'm going to figure this out.
I don't say, yo, you don't know, say, yo,
so
this is going to be the fair. No, man,
so
we not talk about.
Man, never cry.
No, man, we not
cry.
If a man never cry in front of you, you're not going to... Yeah, you lose respect.
Sorry, lie in ball in front of me. Mind you before the ball in front of me. Man ball in front of me. Listen up. Want me tell you why?
Man not to cry.
Want me tell you why? Want me tell you why some I want to talk so? Because I want to experience with some girl. If you want to probably sit on here so I watch that I tell you, know some girl I got taken for one big menke. Why my man brother can't dead today and him ball to me? Why mother can't end up there so when you look at man and robbing money and they
that is a total crime.
No, they don't hit me and say, I never say which terms are crying. I never say which terms are crying. Watch you now, me there so now. Right? I lie to my man and we are bounce and we are go through. When they look me I go find out them give me bun. Right, we are whatever. You see when you look? So you're my man now. And me find out say you give me bun. Right? You see when me find out say you give me bun, I did my last straw. You see when you realize say you lose me, I not talk about you when even though you fuck, and me are your woman. I mean straight, you check for me like that. So I time I don't experience no love, that's how I want to talk, so brother. I'm dying for to find somebody I want to drop book buff in a love and I don't know about bumbo clock ball and I will kill myself. So I know that.
10 years and the 10 years left.
You never yet meet a man.
And you know, say me not crying.
You never yet meet a woman you really love and you spend so much years with. To even know say like something happen, I can't pinpoint what exactly, but like something happen. And you just start getting emotional. Not even a one teardrop chopper. Not even a one teardrop out your eye.
No, but sometimes I sit down back and
it's not really much of a situation. Whether it's by
it's not true the way you sing. You choose something because I never do no YouTube. But I say, yo, you feel like
me there with a man and Maddie with me with a long and then we left ball. Till when we woman find out some of my time I fake them a fake ball for we feel sorry for them. Man ball, who not talk about? That's why some of them mad up on the bumper road. That's why enough of them mad.
Food man ball.
Man up on the road because they don't open up and release themselves. Why man not supposed to ball? Why?
Food man ball. In front of me and behind my back. Ask Sasha if me ever cry.
Man, man get that much help. Woman help man plus man himself no help man. Every man has to think to themselves. They say if a man stays a box and talk about him and cry, them and look on him perfect and weak. Majority females do that. Okay. Okay. You never know say man never cry inside every day.
Brother, I never do on a football every fucking day, brother. But at some point people overwhelmed. Crystal, you never ball yesterday?
Crystal is a woman. Crystal is a woman. Uno ball all the time. Uno ball for everything.
Listen.
Uno ball. Man left uno. Uno ball. Uno a fuck uno ball. Uno a fuck uno ball. Man left uno ball. Uno broke uno ball. Everything uno ball. Uno friend a chat uno ball.
And them know that man like this super got a real left child left man ball. I don't know what we not talk about. Why man not for cry? Because it written.
When him cry, weak.
It written.
I guess I want to know a woman no cry when them left a man. Guess a woman no cry when them left a man. Guess what? Guess what going on? You see from when she there with you? She about 10 man.
A man who can't vulnerable is not a man. If you can't, you know, you say we not tell you ball every day. But if you can't be vulnerable, you're not a man. Because you're not getting touched with
you. So while you're in a relationship, she have 10 man out there we she have build relationship with. Say sometimes she left a man, she not about it now. Next day, man, she have bomb for next body, man.
I don't mean say, but you see yourself how you talk, so you son a be a dirty foot girl take. You're not taking no serious girl.
But I know all decent girls say so.
Nothing, no decent girl.
We don't know when time, we no decent that when time. Listen up, hello. First of all, you think a girl. Let me tell you now. Stick up in.
We want business and everything else. I want out of everything. I be a dirty foot girl take up.
Stick up in. Yes, stick up in, stick up in, stick up in, stick up in. You think say when we look at woman, you know what tell we say, say me I look at girl I know. You think she gonna tell me say, look at me is a dirty foot girl? Every woman a good girl until you find them out.
If I have sense and filter who makes sense and who don't make sense, I don't think we do that. Alright then.
Swear to God, jump. Jump. You jump, I jump. You jump, I jump. People, Jamil. Schemers. Jamila, go jump. Ready? Only thing I'm afraid of to me, I go. I have video me jump, I know you jump after. I tell me, no, you agree with that.
The Lord is your shepherd. You're a kid. See, turn up people, right? That's why I'm going, alright, that's far. Go on, my friend. Actively. You're Ricky. You're Ricky. Oh, my God. I'm sorry, but I'm just sitting on a swim. Yeah, my G. Yeah, warm up, warm up. No matter get muscle contraction and the heart attack down there, you know. Bumbo clot! Bumbo clot!
People are nice in the dog and love enjoy themselves and them support people about an hour and go. Them cold man, I say them cheap, them cheap. Really cheap for one part, man. Cheap for one part, man. Pound and one down. Catch a Ricky T. She at work. Tell them how you prepare that meal for me, please.
She get some chicken?
Just a brief.
I get some
instruction.
chicken.
I mean, a panty.
Season the
instruction.
chicken.
Yeah.
Reheat the oil. Fry the chicken. The end.
That's all.
I will buy a slice bread at shop.
So people, it's a natural thing for me to come and river. To bring in our fish and bread out with chicken and bread. And them thing there, you know what I mean? Yeah, so she should give you a brief. I mean, a panty instruction. How she prepare her meal. You know what I mean? So, yeah. And them can cook. Schemers TV. Remember me tell you that. You hear that? And then a joke thing. You hear that? Know that? Show that. See my show it?
2 bread. 2.
Show that and then exact.
Bernard! What's him? We are going to do? Mercy said no. Bernard!
We are going to get weird. People are good.
You know a woman and can't cock up.
Hurry there, get home. Would I do it back there,
Yeah, get old.
Yeah,
Bernard!
I don't know like hold on, move on. That's one. Crystal of food. The all are out of so, you know. Minha área, como já está super bacana. Come in, let's talk about no, hold on, you ready? Oh, that's cheesy. Let's look further. Look further.